Evelyn Salazar, and today I'm bringing you an interesting class about Blender. I want to share with you some of the first steps I did to learn how to use the Blender interface and some tips I learned about this amazing program. If you have knowledge of other 3D programs and you want to start developing new skills with Blender, or if you don't have knowledge about 3D programs yet, this course is special for you. We will start with the navigation and we'll simply explain to you how to use the interface. Then we will work with the camera and objects in a very easy way. You will understand the use of materials and finally how to set up the render. You will learn Blender in only few steps that will help you to develop new skills and get unexpected results. In this class, you don't need any prior knowledge or experience. It is especially for everyone who already has experience in other 3D software and want to experiment with new design with Blender. Or if you are a complete beginner, I think that you can enjoy this class and discover something new. In my career as a 3D designer, I have the opportunity to use different software. In general, I found that learning a new program can be very entertaining and challenging at the same time. It is also a great way to try new ways to create and new techniques to implement. Let's start a new way to increase our creativity with Blender. I can't wait to have you in class.